Hi there. My name is Brittany Bundy, and I am one of the math teachers here at Grand Forks Central High School. One of the courses I teach is Enriched Geometry. So I'm just going to take a few moments to kind of talk about my class and show you a little PowerPoint. These are the topics we will cover throughout the year. We start the year off just kind of going over the basics of geometry. A lot of your students have seen many of these things through their educational career, but we just kind of relearn them. Then we go into logic and reasoning, everyone's favorite. So if you hear your students complaining about proofs, we are definitely in chapter 2. It's always a good time here when we are doing proofs. Then we move on to parallel and perpendicular lines, triangle relationships, polygons, similarity. We have surface area and volume thrown in there. It's a good time. There's a lot of application to geometry, so students really enjoy this class because they see that there's a purpose outside of just the math classroom. I will be using Google Classroom as kind of our hub. Here I will be posting weekly calendars, and then on those calendars I will have links to our assignments and the video lessons. So if your students are ever wondering what they're supposed to be doing, just have them check Google Classroom. All of their answers can be found there. I will be posting grades through Google Classroom and through PowerSchool, and those should be updated weekly, if not daily. My goal for this year is to be as paperless as possible, which is kind of strange for a math classroom. So if you see your students saying they're working on math, but they don't have a textbook in front of them or they're not writing anything down, they probably are, but they're just using our website called Alex. It's provided by our textbook, and it's a way for us to do homework online. And lastly, I just am very excited to have your students in my classroom this year. I'm very thankful that we can start the year off face to face, and I hope we can stay this way for as long as possible. Again, my name is Brittany Bundy. Down below is my email address. Please feel free to email me with any questions, comments, or concerns regarding your student, and have a super rest of your day.